That's it. Scrape it in the bowl. That's it. Good work. Is that the right hand? Is that comfortable?
No.
Yeah. That's it. Watch your fingers. Maybe peel away. Peel that way. Start here and peel that way. So you don't cut yourself. Yeah, that's better.
All right.
You reckon? A bit of roughage. Okay. Watch your fingers. Goodness me.
Whoa.
That's it. Can you chop them a bit smaller?
Let's do these.
Yeah, they're a little bit big. Can you chop them a little bit smaller? You can probably chop them in half. Watch it. Use your finger like this. Look, when I hold the knife, look, you put your finger here. That helps. No.
No,
No, you've got to use this finger. This one. Point this finger out over here. It will help you cut with the knife better. Trust me. Look. Use your finger, Ryan. Where's your finger? This one. See this finger? This one. Got to go here. Yep. Now try. Just hold it a little bit with your other hand.
Oh.
Whoops. Quick, pick it up. 5-second rule. That's a bit big.
Ah.
Goodness me, it's all going on the floor. That's it. Watch your fingers.
What the hell?
What? Hold it on the chopping board, not up in the air. That's it. Good work. Put them in the pot. Now you've got to do this one.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Keep chopping it. Use your other finger to help push it down. That'll work. Good job. Now cut it in half again. Yeah. Hold it. And then chop it up in little bits to go in here. Chop it up in little bits. No, on the chopping board. Chop it in little bits.
Whoa.
That's it. Good job, mate. No, wait a minute. What are you doing there?
Hey.
That's not done. Use your other hand. Put your finger in the right spot. That's it. Good work. Use your other hand so it doesn't fly away and end up on the floor. Hey.
What?
See? What did I say? You're taking advantage of this 5-second rule, mate. Use your other hand when you're chopping. Alright, chuck it in there. That'll do. That'll work. Good job. Right, now you got to chop this celery up. How are you going to chop that? What's going on?
Don't do that, you.
Wait a second. Okay, stop.
Whoa.
Watch your fingers. Getting a bit wild there, mate. Chuck it in there. And then maybe do a little bit more. Chop a little bit more. It's been hacked to death over there. Chop a little bit more. Hey, no. Where's your other hand? We don't want any more food on the floor, do we? That's it. That's better. Good job, mate. All right, what's next? That's it. Don't worry about Jack. That's it. Now we need some Worcestershire sauce. Put it on the bench while you fill it up, maybe. That's it. Watch what you're doing. Fill it to the top, then stop. Good job. Now tip it in here. Dip it in here. That's it. Very careful. Quick. Good job. You made it. That's the pasta sauce. Dip it in there. Till the top. Fill it to the top. Stop.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a bit too much.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
There's that.
Yeah, that's all right. Tip it in there. That'll work.
Wait, pasta sauce?
Yep, pasta sauce.
What
Tip it
the-
in there, quick. It's dripping. Now we need some paprika. Tip some paprika in here.
I'm gonna do tomorrow.
Tomorrow what?
McDonald's.
Put it on the bench. No, we're going to have savoury mince. That's better than McDonald's. Whoops. Okay, yep.
Right.
That'll work. Okay, now we need this one. The tomato sauce.
Whoa! What is that?
That's tomato sauce.
Look at so small.
Yeah, we've got to put that in there too. Okay, we need 3 of them, Ryan. Of this. Move that out of the way. Goodness.
So,
Is that good? 1, 2, 3 of them. One. That's it.
here's that thing.
Yep. 2. Put it. Ah!
Whoa, good.
2. Put in here, quick. Yeah, and 1 more, and try not to spill it everywhere. That would be good. Very carefully. It comes out blobby, doesn't it? Oh, good work.
Whoop.
Whoops. 3. Good work. What else do we need in there? Hang on a second.
Put there.
What? Not more celery? Why don't you taste a bit? Do you like it? People eat that with peanut butter on it.
Oh, what?
Yeah, you can eat it like that.
There you
Have a taste. Well, this could be a new snack. Is that good, is it? I never would have thought. Do you like it?
Yep.
Yeah? Well, that's pretty good then, isn't it? Because you can eat all that. They sent us too much.
Okay.
All right, what's next? Oh, that's probably 2 there. Just a little bit. Little bit. Okay, big bit. That'll work. That'll do. Okay. Now go and get your mince over there. Very carefully. That should be cool now. Oh, goodness me. We've got no room here. Whoops. Now that's got to go in there.
So don't do that.
Yeah, maybe get the egg flip so you can put it in there. That's it. Put it in the pot with everything else.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, that's how.
Yep, stick it in there. You're all right. Go real quick before it spills.
God.
Who's cleaning up all this mess? Are you?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Careful. Get it all in there. We want it all in there, mate. Maybe you need to get a spoon.
Ah.
Watch what you're doing. What are you doing? Having a snack? What? No.
Oh, with sauce.
It's too big. What are you doing? We don't want that in there. I really don't like celery that much, mate. I don't want that big thing in there. What are you doing?
Oh, just sauce.
You got some sauce. Ready? Get a spoon and get the rest of this mince out and put it in the pot. Instead of eating sauce and poisoning our dinner with too much celery. Oh, okay, that'll work. I think. All right.
Oh!
Goodness me. What a mess. No more celery. No more celery. You're nuts. I don't like celery that much. How's it looking? Let's turn her on. Yeah, no, that's coming out, mate. That's not going in there. We do not want that much celery in there.
I'm good, Jack.
Yeah, someone else can eat that.
Look at Jack.
Jack, you reckon Jack wants celery?
Yeah.
All right, now you probably better mix that up. So get a spoon or something out of there. Get a big spoon. The big red spoon, maybe, in the next drawer. Next drawer. Or just any spoon. Get a spoon, hurry up. No.
You know that?
Yeah, when I said any spoon, I didn't mean a teaspoon. Get a big spoon.
Oh,
Goodness me, what's going on? A wooden spoon. Mix that up now. Mix it up so Mum doesn't notice all the celery in there. Give it a stir. Got to stir it like that.
Whoa, what is that?
Yeah, that's more celery. I'm excited. All right, get the lid.
Oh dear.
What?
My dog.
Your dog what? It's going to eat the celery?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there's enough of it. All right, no, that's enough mushing and stirring. That's
Whoa.
good, I think.
Look at that, Mum.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? That's going to be yummy dinner with lots of celery. And we've got to put mushrooms in a bit later.
What?
Yeah, we've got to put some mushrooms in a bit
What
later.
are you doing to me?
Yeah, they don't go in yet. Put the lid on and turn it on to high. Turn it on to high. That,
Like that?
I can't. Turn it to the next one so it's on high. That's it. Good work. Who's cleaning that up?
Oh.
Ryan, who's cleaning that up?
Oh, no, Jack.
Jack?
Yep.
Jack probably would clean it up pretty good. My goodness.
What are you doing?
Looks like there's been a massacre.
Ow.
You're a messy cook, mate.
No.
Yeah, you're a messy cook. Right, yeah. How about you put this in the sink? You put all this stuff in the sink. Over there, yeah. Put it over there. And these ones.
Oh my God.
You put it all in the
Look
sink.
at
Yeah, I know. That sauce is good though.
that. Sauce.
Yep. Put them in the sink.
Oh, sauce, Mum.
Is that? Oh, and that.
Oh.
Oopsie daisy. Whoop, and this.
Oh.
You put them all in the sink.
Shit.
No, don't say that. Good work.
Oh my God.
All right, Mum will clean up the rest.
Oh.
Thanks for coming.
Oh. Bloody.
Oh, you're going to clean... Wait, no, put that in the sink. Put that in the sink.
Oh.
That's beyond a rag, mate. That's got to go in the sink. No. Oh, my goodness.
What the hell?
Put it in the sink. Put it all in the sink. Don't touch nothing else. Get a cloth and wipe your hands.
Oh, good thing.
Yeah. Mum's going to do the rest. Okay? Good work. Use your finger. Use that finger to hold your knife. Where's this finger? This one. Yep, out here. That's it. Hold your potato, otherwise it'll fall on the floor. That's it. Good work. Watch your fingers.
Oh, is that, Mum?
Yeah, what are you doing? Where's this finger? This finger. It's got to be out like that. This one. Hold the knife properly. Yep, chop it in little bits and stick it in the pot. That's it. Good work.
Alright.
Nope, got to peel that one. Peel that first.
What the hell is that?
I don't know, what is it?
Pretty soon.
What are you doing over there? What's going on? What? We don't want the peel in the pot. Yeah.
Alright.
You reckon? What about that bit? Peel that bit off. Can't have that bit in there. What's happening? What's happening? Your fingers are falling out.
I might do tomorrow.
You can do it tomorrow, after we eat it. Think you're telling stories, mate. Taking some shortcuts.
Stop it.
You stop it, Mr. Shortcut Man. Oops. Nearly made it to the floor. Yeah. Oh, okay. We're taking another shortcut, are we? Mr. Shortcut Man.
Mum, what are you doing?
Put some water in the pot and stick it on the stove.
Stop it.
You stop it. Well, none of that videoed. But we have. Well, Ryan has dished it all out. Ready? It looks pretty good. We're going to taste it.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, you ready? Oh, you're getting some cutlery. Good work, mate. And you're getting one for Mum. Oh, too good. Let's go.
Relax. Hold on.
Oh, you're going to taste it there. Oh, is it a bit hot?
That's right.
I think you better have another little taste with the potato. Get a bit like that, look. Oh. Blow it, not spit on it. How is it?
Not good.
It's good, is it? Does it get a thumbs up? Yeah? Good work.